Hey everyone, this screencast is going to talk to you about a new and exciting project that we're going to be working on in our ELA classes during the next couple weeks, and it's called an interest journal. So I know a lot of us have done quick writes before. That's where we generate our ideas, we write for a certain amount of time, maybe we're responding to a text that we read or a listing. But these interest journals are going to be a little different. And the thing that hopefully you will find exciting is that they're going to be shared with 3 different classrooms throughout our school district. So once you've accessed the link, you will get to this page here that's going to have a long list of some different interest journal topics. So you can read through that list and select a topic that you find interesting and meaningful. So something that you really would like to write about. There is also a link that's on the very last page called Free Choice. So if you have something in mind but you don't see it listed in the topics, feel free to add to the Free Choice page. So once you find a topic that seems exciting or interesting to you, you're going to click on it. And I'm just going to go to that first link for pets. So when you click on that page, it will take you to the Pets Interest Journal. When you get to that page, the first thing we'd like you to do is think about why you chose the topic. You might be writing a story about it that's fictional, or you might be writing about your own experience. So it could be a true story, something that's actually happened to you, or maybe you're writing a fictional story about the topic. It's completely up to you. If you get to the page and you start scrolling down and you notice that there's already some entries included, you can definitely read those entries and share some comments. But of course, keep in mind that people have worked really hard on their journal entries, so whatever you say, you want to make sure that it's appropriate and responsible. When you feel like you are ready to write, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Insert Break, which I'll show you how to do in just a moment. Every single student will have their own special signature assigned. It's going to start with the letter F, L, or W, and then there will be a number. So you'll definitely want to put that number, and then if you also actually want to put your name, you can do that as well. But if you'd prefer to keep your interest journal anonymous, that's fine too, but you will need to definitely share that code. So when you're working on this activity, please remember to be a responsible digital citizen. I think we all know what that means, but, do not delete or change anyone's work. Only share respectful comments, and don't forget that we are watching, so we can easily go back and see who has deleted things or shared things that are inappropriate. So please just have some fun with this. It's a great chance for us to connect with some other classes, get to share our writing, get to share our thinking, and hopefully it will be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to do a quick demo for how you can set up and start your page. So I'm going to scroll down here all the way until I get to the bottom of the page. Then I'm going to click on this button that says Insert Break. Oops. So make sure you click below that meme and see the cursor. So you want to make sure that your cursor is below any text or images on the page before you hit that break button to create a new page, which is what I'm about to do now. So I'm going to click on Insert Break, and it will give me a new page. Now, like I said before, the first thing that you will want to do is type your signature. So I'm just going to type L0. That's my signature. If I wanted to type my name, I could. If I don't, that's fine too. And then I'm going to start my entry about my dog, Miles. Here. Alright, so pretending that that was my entry, you could either read my entry and comment on it, or you could just scroll down and then create another new page putting in your signature there, and typing your entry. So if you have questions about this assignment, you can of course rewatch this video, or you can of course ask any of your teachers for help. But again, we hope this is a really fun way for us to connect with some other classes and also share our thoughts about some topics that are interesting to us. Thanks for watching.